What's up guys, So7 Boys here, I'm Dev.
I'm Lou, and today we're going to be putting these bushings into this 1976 Datsun 280z.
Stay tuned.
So we've got a number of different bushings to do today, starting with these steering rack bushings. Right now we have a lot of play in our steering rack. There's a lot of side-to-side movement when you're turning the wheel. We've got these are differential bushings. We're having a lot of movement in our differential upon acceleration and deceleration, and hopefully these will reduce some of that and reduce some of the clunking and noises that we're hearing. And this here is a steering coupler bushing, or steering coupler puck maybe you'd call it. It's aluminum and it should reduce some of the input loss that we have when we're steering under heavy loads.
Perfect. Done.
Okay, this side's already up. This is literally like a one-finger job for me. So this is easy peasy. Hopefully they go in that easy too.
Well, they come separated, so.
Oh yeah, true.
I don't know if I can film this one.
Hey, here, give me the camera because I can film right here.
Pull it out, yeah. Where's it split on this side?
It's where's that screwdriver? Hang on, I'm gonna lower this.
I got a screwdriver over here.
Pass it to me. It is right there.
Oh, I see. She's all gummed up with oil and stuff.
Yeah.
Done.
Nice. Fuck yeah.
You see what I mean? Look at the bushing.
I can't see the bushing right now. Oh, it's on it?
Yeah, it's just got to be squished into it, but that's the issue. It's such a tight tolerance that
Oh.
the rack needs to be forced down onto it. That would work perfectly if it would go. Nope, keep going. You're perfect. Keep going.
I ran out of...
Close.
Oh, ouch. What the fuck was that? I just got bit by a screwdriver.
That might have done it. That's it. That's good. It'll cinch.
Yeah. She'll go?
Yeah. Probably just finesse this.
Butter it in there. Get in there.
There we go. Just wait. It's not in at the front here. I think that went. Yeah, it did. That's one bushing in.
Sick.
I think that's the most difficult one.
Alright, here's this cap. Oh, that felt promising. Oh. I just keep cross-threading it. Did that bite?
I can't tell. I've got it locked now. Feels good to you. It's probably good.
Yeah, she bit.
You can tap both those guys out.
Nice, fuck yeah. Progress. Tell me when.
I would keep going because
Till she's tight?
until they're sandwiched. You couldn't even get the nuts on those yet. Yeah, that's probably good.
Good?
Probably, yeah. Yeah, it's probably good.
This thing's gonna be so tight.
So we've got this puck loosened off. It's not out yet, but you can see how much play there is in there. This is really going to tighten it up.
That was easy.
Try and get those bolts out of there.
This one wants to come. Oh yeah, nice. Nice. Look at that. Still got zinc plating on it.
You might have to pull it from the other side because that knuckle's gonna get in the way. Or just do that.
Oh, come on.
Oh, why not do that?
Pardon?
Or just do that.
Look at that. This puck is in better shape than I expected. Not split or anything.
Oh.
But they're still gonna be fucking, you can see how much that bends and moves. Tons of slop in that. So we are just putting the last few bolts into this steering coupler. It is rock solid. This is gonna be pretty nuts to drive on. It's really hard to get these bolts in because there's zero play in anything now. There we go. That shouldn't bind, right? Like if it's not binding on either side, that's the most pinched it can be.
So, we've got the rack bushings in. They're torque to spec. And we've got the new Techno Toy tuning, solid aluminum puck here. And that is also torque to spec. There is no play in this. We're going to go take it for a first test drive, give you our first impression. And then we're going to tackle the differential bushings. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? So we're working on the rear end, trying to get these OEM smushed bushings out of the mustache bar for the differential. It's been fighting us the whole way. We think we've got it. We've got to pry it a little bit further. Hopefully it falls out. Might get stuck again. I don't know. We think we've gotten it about a dozen times now, and every time we have it. So.
This should be the final stretch, though. Like, it's dropped as close to coming out as we've had it so far.
All right.
So it's been hitting on the frame right here. This is the mustache bar. Oh, yeah, there she goes. Now, how do we get it down?
Good question.
I could pull on it and pry it out again. No, I can't pry on that. Those studs are really flexing too.
Oh, are they?
Yeah. Do it again. I want to see. Can you get your side clear?
I might be able to, and then we can finesse it.
Yeah. Yeah, mine's going back up. You should be able to get yours out. You gotta be close, eh?
Oh, fuck. Christ, that scared me. Someone here?
Yeah, Kirsten. Fuck yeah, nice. That's awesome.
Oh, Jesus, sorry.
That's alright. I was just reaching for it. 20-minute job, man.
20-minute job, like I said. Easy money. Get money, get paid. YouTube doesn't pay us the big bucks for no reason. Fuck, the thing's heavy, man. It's like a leaf spring.
You can get billet aluminum ones. Yeah.
Save about 300 pounds off the car.
Alright guys, when you last saw us, we had just gotten the mustache bar out of the car. The bushings aren't coming out of the bar as easily as we expected, so we're probably gonna have to use a torch on them to melt them out. So we'll show you how that's done. Alright, as you can see, we've got the old bushings out. There's a little bit of rubber residue in there still. We'll get that cleaned up, clean this up, maybe give it a quick coat of paint. Alright guys, we got the bar all painted up here, and it's ready to go back into the car.
Bring me back.
I'll retorque them.
Yeah.
I've never retorqued anything in my life.
And I'm not gonna fucking start with vital suspension parts.
They're gonna start on a 40-year-old car.
Yeah.
Does that fit? That might be the small one.
Is that the right socket?
No, the small one's right there.
I think these are the big boys. Oh, that hurt. That really hurt. Well, I might go home.
Mom, come pick me up.
I am officially not having fun. How the fuck did we do that before? Did we get a socket on that?
We might have used a wrench.
Because I'm upset. I'll tell you that for fucking free. I am upset. I'm gonna get a fucking sip of beer.
Oh yeah. Let's have a fucking beer break.
Oh, did you get that on camera? Do you think I'm gonna need a fucking tetanitis shot or whatever? Oh god, get me out of here.
All right, guys, all the new bushings are in. Overall, it was a pretty smooth job. It went a lot smoother than we expected. Hopefully the car feels a lot tighter when we're at autocross